Hai guys, ketemu lagi di Mam Abil Channel. Buat kamu yang baru menemukan channel Mam Abil, jangan lupa untuk tekan tombol like, subscribe, dan komen. Buat kamu yang sudah mengklik video Mam Abil, thank you ya guys. Semoga kalian sehat selalu. Jadi di video kali ini Mam Abil mau kulineran di Warkop Agam ya guys. Pasti kalian udah pada nggak asing lagi ya dengan Warkop Agam. Ini yang sangat viral banget, tapi ini Mam Abil baru mau cobain ya guys ya. Langsung aja guys ikutin videonya, dan Mam Abil penasaran banget ini gimana rasanya ya. Buat kamu yang penasaran dengan rasanya dan dengan videonya, langsung aja guys kita tonton videonya bersama-sama. Tapi sebelum kita tonton videonya, ini Mam Abil mau kasih tahu ini alamatnya ada di Warkop Bangladesh yang ada di Kota Palembang, khususnya di Pelaju ya. Buat kamu yang orang Palembang mungkin yang belum tahu di tempat ini, silahkan catat alamatnya ya guys.
A few moments later.
Ini kita sudah dapat meja guys, dan ini banyak banget ya menunya. Di sini kita akan coba dulu ya. Ini pertama kali kita makan di Warkop Agam. Dan ini ada menu best seller, dan di sini ada Indomie, nasi ayam paket, dan juga di sini masih banyak makanan yang lain ya. Ada nasi goreng dan ada tambahan juga, ada dimsum, tapi tadi Mam Abil tanya dimsumnya lagi nggak ada, dan nasi paketnya juga nggak ada. Jadi kita kebagian Indomie dan nasi goreng aja ya guys. Tapi kalau untuk nasi goreng Mam Abil nggak coba dulu ya. Mam Abil mau cobain Indominya, dan Mam Abil penasaran banget. Dan ini suasana malamnya ya guys ya. Ini dia guys Indomie Bangladeshnya ya guys ya. Ini punya Papa Abil, nasi goreng kampung. Lanjut guys, kita makan dulu ya guys. Nah ini guys ya, sangat menggugah selera banget. Ini aromanya enak banget ya, wangi kayak kari gitu ya guys ya, wangi kari. Nggak tahu ya bumbunya gimana. Dan ini ada telur ya, telurnya juga, dan ada sedikit sayur. Langsung aja kita cobain guys. Ini minyak masih panas banget ya. Ini kita tiup dulu ya guys ya. Oke guys, kita sekarang review untuk rasanya dulu ya. Rasa Indomie Bangladesh ini ya guys. Kalau Mam Abil rasa ini enak karena rasanya itu unik ya, Indomie tapi kayak rasa kari, apalagi dimakan waktu lagi hangat-hangatnya, jadi makin tambah nikmat ya guys. Untuk rasanya kalau menurut Mam Abil enak. Untuk harganya mulai dari 13 ribuan sampai 25 ribu guys. Ini Mam Abil pesan yang Indomie biasa, jadi harganya 13 ribu. Buat kamu yang sudah menonton video ini sampai detik ini, thank you ya guys. Jangan lupa tekan tombol like, subscribe, dan komen.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. I make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up, cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down, they wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt, they're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy, there's no risk if you don't try at anything. So I'ma just keep buying everything, see you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight.
Oke guys, mungkin untuk video kali ini sampai di sini dulu ya. Terima kasih banyak buat kamu yang sudah menonton video Mam Abil. Jangan lupa tekan tombol lonceng notifikasi ya guys, agar kalian gak ketinggalan video-video terbaru dari channel Mam Abil. Thank you for watching my video guys. See you next video. Bye bye.
All I need are some better days, 'cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome, but try to do what you love when it's said and done, 'cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut.